I'm in Dubai now.
You can technically move everything over to Dubai.
I'll move them to Dubai or Saudi Arabia, and none of this will happen.
Anyways, so ended up deciding on Dubai.
Dubai is a city that has captured the world's attentions with rapid growth, stunning architecture, and limitless opportunities. But what draws people from around the globe to this vibrant metropolis? Low taxes. The United Arab Emirates offers favorable tax arrangements for residents, often including no personal income tax, and low or no capital gains or inheritance taxes. This attracts wealthy investors who want to minimize their tax burden. Thanks to this, all the income they receive goes straight to their accounts. Political stability and security. Some may be surprised here, but the United Arab Emirates are located on large resources of oil, without which the Western world would not be able to function. As a result, Western countries, including the head of the United States, support regions such as the United Arab Emirates and maintain order there. As for security, the United Arab Emirates is one of the safest countries in the world. It's not like in the US, where you can go to the store and you can get mugged or shot. It's also not London, where you will get stabbed. There, you can safely leave the house and leave the door open, and nothing gonna happen. Infrastructure and luxury lifestyle. The United Arab Emirates is full of hotels and residences, as well as luxury restaurants where you can meet billionaires from around the world. Wealthy people are able to live a full life here. This is the perfect place to build a network. Business and investments. The United Arab Emirates is an attractive place for doing business and investing. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are financial hubs, with free zones and special economic zones, offer all sorts of benefits for entrepreneurs and investors. It's not without reason that the headquarters of corporations from around the world are moved there. International community. The United Arab Emirates attracts wealthy people from all over the world, creating an international and cosmopolitan community. This environment is conducive to establishing business contacts, creating partnerships, and exchanging experiences. This is how network is built. These reasons have certainly made you realize why the United Arab Emirates is so popular and gaining in the eyes of many rich people. To learn more useless information, subscribe the Useless Knowledge and stay tuned.